Hello, traders. Today is Monday, June 30th, and this is my analysis for the Euro-US dollar. And we're going to start off on the daily time frame and work down. Because on the daily time frame, we are sitting at the 78% Fibonacci retracement. If I actually zoom out a bunch on the daily or just jump up to the weekly, we can see that we're at the Fibonacci, 78% Fibonacci retracement of this whole move down. And you can also look to the left here and see that this area has been support and resistance in the past several times. Support and resistance in the past often does create support and resistance in the future, especially when you are at a Fibonacci level. And it does look like a possible five-way pattern, so we could likely get another push down. Now, the problem I have with that analysis is I'm not really in the business to identify the exact top and bottom because this thing could easily start pushing down. You go short, and then it just makes another higher low. It makes another higher low, and it shoots right up past that Fibonacci level. The problem is that the monthly is up, the weekly is up, and the daily is definitely up. There is definitely a chance that this keeps going up. Just because we're at the Fibonacci level is not enough proof to go short. So what I would do is if I want to go short, I would wait for it to go all the way down and break this structure right here. That's the last significant structure. Then I would wait for another pullback, and then I would go short on the pullback for the continuation of possibly a much bigger move to the downside. That is a much safer way than just trying to go short right here and then hope that it's not going to make a higher low and just shoot right back up, which it definitely could because all the higher time frames are definitely still in an uptrend. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.